Mammoths were giant relatives of modern elephants that lived across parts of Europe, Asia, and North America. Most species were covered with thick fur and adapted to cold environments during the Ice Age. Their curved tusks and massive size made them one of the most recognizable extinct animals. They matter because their disappearance helped scientists study climate change and the impact of early human hunting. Saber-toothed cats. These predators lived in different regions around the world and are famous for their extremely long canine teeth. Despite their appearance, they were not direct ancestors of modern tigers or lions. Their bodies were built for strength rather than long chases. They matter because they reveal how predators evolved to hunt large prey in ancient ecosystems. Dodos were flightless birds that lived only on the island of Mauritius. They evolved without major natural predators and became comfortable around other animals and people. Their inability to fly made survival difficult after humans arrived. They matter because they became one of history's best-known examples of extinction caused by human activity. Megalodon was a gigantic prehistoric shark that ruled ancient oceans millions of years ago. It was much larger than today's great white sharks and hunted large marine animals. Its powerful bite made it one of the most formidable predators ever known. It matters because it helps researchers understand how ocean ecosystems changed over time. Trilobites were marine creatures that lived in ancient seas long before dinosaurs appeared. Their bodies were divided into sections and protected by hard outer shells. Thousands of species existed in different sizes and shapes. They matter because their fossils help scientists identify the age of rocks and ancient environments. Woolly rhinoceroses. These large mammals lived in cold regions during the Ice Age alongside mammoths. Thick fur and strong bodies helped them survive harsh climates. They grazed on plants across open landscapes. They matter because they give clues about ancient ecosystems that disappeared as climates changed. Pterosaurs were flying reptiles that lived during the age of dinosaurs. Some were small enough to fit on a shoulder, while others had wings wider than many small airplanes. They were not dinosaurs themselves, but evolved alongside them. They matter because they reveal how flight developed in prehistoric animals. Moa birds were enormous flightless birds that lived in New Zealand. Some species grew several meters tall and had no wings at all. They lived without large land predators until humans arrived. They matter because their extinction happened relatively recently and provides evidence of rapid environmental change. Anomalocaris was a strange ocean predator from very early Earth history. It had large grasping limbs and unusual eyes that helped it hunt smaller animals. At the time, it was among the most advanced creatures on the planet. It matters because it shows how life experimented with many body designs during evolution. Tasmanian tigers, also called Thylacines, were striped marsupial predators native to Australia and Tasmania. They looked similar to dogs, but belonged to a completely different animal group. Hunting pressure and environmental changes contributed to their disappearance. They matter because they remind people that extinction can happen even in relatively modern times. Passenger pigeons once traveled in enormous flocks across North America containing millions of birds. Their numbers were so large that skies could darken as they passed overhead. Intense hunting and habitat loss eventually caused their population to collapse. They matter because they demonstrate how even extremely abundant species can vanish.